In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize credit card rewards in QuickBooks. Managing your financial records efficiently is crucial for any business, and QuickBooks makes it relatively straightforward. If you've been wondering how to properly categorize those credit card rewards you earn through your business transactions, follow along as I guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to begin by signing into your QuickBooks account. Make sure you have your credentials handy. Once you've accessed the sign-in page, simply click on Sign In, and then choose QuickBooks Online from the available options. If you don't see it right away, ensure that you're on the correct QuickBooks page and not on other Intuit services. After you've selected QuickBooks Online, you're prompted to enter your credentials. Type in your username and password carefully, and then hit Continue. Always double check your information to avoid any login issues. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your QuickBooks dashboard. Next, you need to access the Transactions page. You can do this by going to the home page and clicking on Transactions. This section is where all financial activities are recorded, which is essential for keeping your books straight and up to date. Ensuring that your transactions are correctly categorized ensures a smooth accounting process and accurate financial reporting. Now, let's navigate to your chart of accounts. In QuickBooks, the chart of accounts is like your financial map, showing you all your asset, liability, and equity accounts. Head over to the banking section from your navigation bar and click on Chart of Accounts. This is where you'll be adding a new entry specifically for your credit card rewards. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts, find and click on the New button to create a new account. You'll see various fields that you'll need to fill out. Start by typing credit card reward under the account name. It's critical that you name your account descriptively to easily identify it in the future. Then navigate to the account type menu and choose income to properly classify your rewards as such. This is important because rewards typically reduce expenses or provide additional income rather than being treated as a separate financial resource. After setting your account type, it's time to choose a detail type. For this, scroll and select discounts refunds given. This categorization helps in reflecting these rewards as a form of the financial return in your records. Finally, after you've filled out all the necessary details, make sure to double check everything before hitting Save. This action will confirm your new account, and your credit card rewards are now categorized correctly in your QuickBooks account. Remember, keeping your account organized is essential for tax purposes and managing your business's financial health. Now you're all set to handle your credit card rewards more effectively in QuickBooks. Happy bookkeeping!